Japan is starting to pull $1.5 trillion out of the US, triggering a financial reset we haven't seen in decades. While you are watching the Bitcoin price, Japan just raised its interest rate to 1%. This is causing chaos in the bond market. Japanese bond yields have jumped to their highest levels since the late 90s. This forces big players to move their money out of US government bonds, pushing interest rates up worldwide. The new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, has already taken a tough stance. He removed all hints for the market, meaning that actual interest rate changes will now matter way more than the Fed's words. But here is the paradox. While the crowd is panicking, the US is quietly opening the doors for institutional investors. Big funds are getting ready to hold portfolios filled with dozens of altcoins to protect themselves from inflation. Let's look at 3 coins that are in the spotlight right now. Hype is showing incredible strength and hitting new all-time highs, while the rest of the market is standing still. However, we've recently seen the trend slowing down. New highs aren't as aggressive anymore, and it's getting harder for the price to move up. In my past videos, I recommended taking partial profits. Right now, it wouldn't be a mistake to lock in most of your profits and leave just a little bit in a moonbag. ONDO is the leader in real-world asset tokenization. Its market dominance is growing even though the price is moving sideways. This is a clear sign that smart money is accumulating it. To build a position, I'm waiting for a long accumulation phase. The best entry points will be near the bottom of this trading range. Chainlink is the foundation of the new financial system. All real-world data will flow into blockchains through its oracles, making it irreplaceable for big banks. While it's trading below $10.4, it's too early to talk about a pump. But if we see an accumulation range form, just like we discussed with ONDO, this will be the best period to accumulate coins for the long term. My friends, if you want to trade, use my registration link for the BitTunix exchange. You will get excellent conditions for trading, 25% discount on trading commissions, and a welcome bonus for new users. The link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish you all massive profits.